Well, the day in the life of a landlord. I got a call that had a water leak. This is in the middle of the driveway. It was just damp. I don't know if you can see way down at the bottom, puddle of water. So they said, hey, I think I got a leak. Hasn't rained in a few days. Puddle right there. All this was damp. So when I came, I saw water oozing up to the ground right here and started digging. Oh, I think it's down in here. And yep, I can feel it. Now, I didn't put this water line in, so it's only about, well, not even from my fingertip to my elbow, so maybe 12-14 inches deep right here. I'm gonna try to dig out, get this water to drain so I can see what's going on. Alrighty, got most of it out. You can see the pipe there. Use my handy dandy Ducko Bell cup to try to get the rest of this out. See that? Well, all right, I'm gonna dig on back this way, see what I can find out. I got repaired a water leak with a compression coupling. Not real confident that it'll last. I mean, it's not leaking, pressure's on it now. But I'm gonna let it stand for a while and then I'll cover it up. Well, got it all covered up. Doesn't appear to be any kind of leaks. Put this pallet here so they wouldn't run up over the water line again. So hopefully I won't have to deal with this in the near future.